So total joint replacement surgery has truly become a passion of mine, because taking a patient who is struggling from an enjoyment of life perspective, they're not able to do the things they used to do with the people they love, and then watching them do the hard work and seeing them back at the 2, 3, 4 month mark and them reporting back, I was able to do some stuff that I haven't done in a really long time. That's incredibly rewarding for not only myself but our entire team. That is why we work so hard, and why we take all of the necessary steps to bring these patients into our practice, provide the care at our incredible surgery center to get them back to doing these wonderful things that they love. And not only are they back doing them, but they're doing it out of pain. To me, there's nothing more rewarding.